How to turn on live text on iPhone. So if you have an iPhone and you want to enable live text so that you can easily copy text from image or take action with text on image, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if you don't this, if you find this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to turn on live text on iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. On the settings page, scroll down, click on general. Now scroll down the general page and click on language and region. Now once you select the language and region, you should see live text beneath. Just scroll up. Now if live text is disabled on your iPhone, you will not be able to select text in images to copy or take action. But for you to be able to perform this action by copying text from image or perform any other action on the image, just go ahead and turn on live text. Now once you turn on live text, then you can now hit the back button. So with this, you will be able to copy text from image or perform particular action on the image. So that is basically how to turn on live text on iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.